Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna talk about this mini luggage BB that I really love, but it is just so frustrating that the accessibility didn't work for me. So before I'm gonna return this, I will let you know why I'm giving this up. So let's go ahead and look at the purse. So this is just a pretty mini luggage BB that I was obsessing until I was able to buy it. So let me show you the purse close up, as it is very pretty. So this is what it looks like, and it has feet on the bottom, and then the top handle is so substantial, and this two zipper pull has a leather tab to it, and I love this hardware here. And I also like this puffy leather, and this is just a structured bag, like a luggage. Like you can just feel the quality in this small purse, and it's just so pretty. I've had this for 2 days now. I have not used this except trying it on here in my closet, and I actually made a video about this, talking about how I love this purse. I love this purse because of the history behind it. The look of the purse is just amazing. The workmanship is excellent. This is made in France, and it is, up to now, I still love it. The reason why I'm letting this go is because of the accessibility. Like I have to hold it for me to close the purse. Like if you are wearing it crossbody, you have to hold it here so you can stabilize it and close it like that. Since the zipper is not in a straight line, so it has to go round through this corner and then round through here. So you cannot like do the zipper just like that halfway and then open it all the way like this, as it won't open. So you have to really put it all the way down like that so you can have a full accessibility of the purse to open it like so. So this zipper has to come around, all around, up to this corner and down. So can you imagine like reaching for your sunglasses, reaching for your cell phone? It doesn't have a slip pocket at the back too. So you really have to open it all the way down. If you will try to leave the zipper open like this and you wear it crossbody, it doesn't look nice also, as there's like an opening that it's so obvious that your bag is open like this. So you really have to close the purse each time, and you have to hold one side of the purse so you can close the zipper all the way like this. So that's really the main reason why I am letting this go, and it's just gives a void in my heart that I will not be able to just wear this. As I get older, accessibility is number one for me in getting my stuff in and out. I also love the Ken's crossbody purse that I let it go for the same reason, because of holding the side of the purse for you to open the zipper all the way and get your stuff inside. It's just not practical for me to have a delay on getting my stuff in and out from the purse. So no matter how I love this purse, and I still do, like I envy those people who can make this work for them, who doesn't bother that concern, because that means they will be able to enjoy the purse 100%. Unlike me, I love the look of it, I love the history behind it, but practicality wise, it just doesn't work for me. Like, I want to enjoy the purse not only through aesthetic but also through functionality, that I am just so frustrated that I cannot just make this work for me, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful purse. I'm gonna show you how much will it fit so you'll have an idea. So this is the opening. I have the strap here and the lock. So currently I'm using this Voit, and I have this stuff here inside. So I have a mini pochette, my Chanel card holder, and my sunglasses. And I'm using my iPhone to film, so I have here an old cell phone that I can use. So we can put it inside as well. So let's put this mini pochette and then this Chanel card holder, and it looks like this inside. And you can put the sunglasses, and there's a slip pocket here at the back and at front. So there's two slip pockets, or you can also put your cell phone in there, and there's still room. There's still room, like a handful of room in here where you can still add stuff. And see, like, you see how it closed? Like, you have to really put it up all the way. So that's just bothers me. It's just so pretty. Like, it breaks my heart that I cannot just make it work for me. So without the sunglasses, it looks like this. And I'm gonna remove this. So for those who own this, congratulations to you guys for making it work, because I just can't make it work on me. So that's it, guys. I took down my video of unboxing because I was so hyped up in that video telling you guys how much I love this purse, that it just makes me feel bad that I have to let it go. So I took it down, but anyways, I showed you already what can fit in here, and it's just so pretty, crossbody and handheld, that I would still recommend this purse to anyone who can make this work. Who doesn't mind having the zipper, open it all the way down. Congratulations to you guys if that will not bother you, because this is just a special purse to own, and I will be admiring this from a distance and will still be thinking of this purse, I think, for the longest time, because this is just an amazing purse. So thank you guys for watching. That's it, guys. If you like an honest review on a particular purse, I do have pros and cons in my channel, and I also have videos why I love a particular purse or item. And I do hope that you will subscribe, and I do appreciate each one of you, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Take care, and I hope that I will see you again next time. Bye.